If you've ever walked into a home and immediately felt that quiet, expensive confidence, this video explains why. It's not about size, trends, or price tags. It's about the small, intentional details most people overlook. Today, I'll show you the exact objects designers use to give a home that collected, high-end feeling. The kind that feels timeless, layered, and impossible to replicate with mass-market decor. These are subtle choices, but together they completely change how a space feels. Watch closely because by the end of this video, you'll start seeing interiors differently, and you'll know how to create that understated luxury in your own home. If this perspective resonates with you, consider subscribing to support this new channel. And feel free to leave a comment sharing which object spoke to you the most. Thank you for being here. Let's begin with unlacquered brass candlesticks. Unlike modern shiny gold, these develop a living patina over time. They bring an immediate sense of age to a pristine marble mantle or a dining table. Next, consider sterling silver trays. You don't need a butler to use these. Place one on a coffee table to corral your remotes, or on a bar cart to hold glassware. The tarnish is actually part of the charm. Perfection isn't the goal here. For a sculptural element, look for alabaster fruit or obelisks. Popular in mid-century Italy, stone fruit adds a fascinating texture that feels organic yet polished. It's a subtle nod to European travels without being cliché. Marble tazas or footed compote bowls are incredibly versatile. A heavy, hand-carved marble bowl empty on a console table looks like a museum piece. It has weight and history that mass-produced ceramics simply cannot mimic. Moving to the study, tortoiseshell tea caddies are exceptional. Obviously, we look for faux or antique restoration pieces, but that deep amber pattern brings a masculine, academic warmth to a bookshelf. A similar texture is shagreen boxes. Genuine vintage shark skin or ray skin has a pebbled texture that catches the light beautifully. A small shagreen box on a bedside table is the perfect place to store a watch or jewelry. For the bar, skip new glass and hunt for cut crystal decanters. The weight of lead crystal is substantial. When the light hits the intricate cutting, it sparkles in a way that modern glass just doesn't. It feels significant. Murano glass. Vases from the mid-century offer a pop of color. The heavy, hand-blown glass often has trapped air bubbles or somersault layers. It's a piece of art that functions as a vessel. On your walls, a small, gilded Louis Philippe mirror adds curves to a boxy room. Look for the beading detail on the frame. Even a tiny one tucked into a bookshelf adds depth and reflects light into dark corners. Instead of large prints, try a small original oil portrait. You don't need to know the subject. A moody, dark oil painting in a chipped gold frame adds instant heritage to a room. It suggests a home with a past. Cloisonné vases are another detailed option. The enamel work involves metal wires and colored glass paste. The intricate floral patterns work wonderfully to break up solid colors in a neutral room. Architectural elements like wood corbels make fantastic bookends. These are often salvaged from old porches or eaves. The peeling paint and raw wood offer a rustic counterpoint to sleek, modern shelving. In the kitchen, an antique wooden dough bowl is essential. These were hand-carved and used for making bread. Their oblong shape and rough-hewn texture look stunning, filled with moss balls or simply left empty on an island. Vintage globes, specifically those with sepia or black oceans, are sophisticated sculptural pieces. They aren't just for classrooms, they look incredible on a desk. The paper often has a yellowed, aged quality that is very warm. A bone or horn. Handled magnifying glass is a classic functional accessory. Placed on top of a stack of coffee table books, it invites interaction. It's a small detail that says, "This home is for reading and exploring." Bronze statuettes or animal figures add weight. A heavy bronze horse or greyhound has a timeless, masculine energy. The dark metal contrasts beautifully against white millwork or linen fabrics. Ironstone pitchers are the white t-shirt of interiors. Their creamy, off-white glaze and simple shapes are perfect for holding wooden spoons or fresh hydrangeas. They are classic, clean, and never go out of style. A stone or marble chess set serves as both a game and a sculpture. Even if you don't play, the pieces carved from onyx or marble look striking when left set up on a side table. Finally, apothecary jars. These amber or clear glass jars with ground glass stoppers were once used in pharmacies. Grouped together in a bathroom, they are perfect for holding cotton rounds or salts while looking incredibly chic. Quality always whispers, it never shouts. If this video helped you see design through a more refined lens, consider subscribing. It truly supports this new channel and helps it grow. Thank you for spending your time with me today, and for being part of the beginning of something special.